Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about using the internet. In the modern world, everything revolves around the internet. Understanding how to use the internet proficiently will aid in completing personal and professional tasks. My name is Jaron Sorensen and I will guide you through this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will navigate the internet by using an internet browser and entering search terms. Then, we will explore types of searches and search engine mini-apps. Finally, we will use the address bar and bookmarks. Let's start by using a browser. Browsers allow us to access, navigate, and browse the internet. A few of the most popular browsers are Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. I will use Google Chrome in this video, but remember, most browsers have these core features. Start by opening up Google Chrome. The main tool in Google Chrome is the search bar, where you enter search terms to navigate the internet. Click on the search bar and type airplane, then hit enter. Google brings up results from the topic entered into the search bar. The engine will initially show you all of the results from the term, in this case, over 1 billion results for the term airplane. Different kinds of searches can narrow down the amount of information provided from your search. The internet contains information that can take a while to sift through, especially if you are searching for something specific. Under the search bar is a row of buttons that allows you to filter your searches. Click the Images button to see the images related to your term, in this case, airplanes. If you want to narrow down the results further, include more search terms. Like filtering by images, the Video tab only shows the videos related to your search. As you can see, this page shows videos about airplanes. You now see fewer results than the initial search. Now, click on the News tab to go to the News page. As you can see, all the results are news articles and information about airplanes. The search engine will always initially show you recent news. The Shopping tab is another way to narrow down your search. Click on the Shopping tab to see all shopping-related products and results from Google Chrome. Click the More tab to drop down the rest of the sections, then click the Books option. This page shows you a wide range of books related to your search term. Open a new tab by clicking the plus sign at the top of the screen. Type Mexico into the search bar, then enter. As you can see, Google is showing results related to the entire country. Clicking all filters and then the flights option will redirect you to a page where you can search for flights and airline tickets to the location entered. Mexico is already entered into the destination bar, so to search for flights, click Explore. Close this tab by clicking the X and open a new tab. Mini-apps are useful tools built into the Google Chrome search engine. A commonly used mini-app is a calculator. To access the calculator, click on the search bar, delete the previous search term, and type calculator. Then press enter to be directed to the calculator page. The built-in calculator is the first result. You can interact with it by pressing the buttons on the screen or the keyboard. The next mini-app is a translator that will translate words and phrases into other languages. Click the search bar, type translate, then enter. The two translation boxes are at the top of the page. The enter text box is where you type, and the translation box is where you can view the results. For example, type strawberry into the enter text box. Now select the language box and click on a language to translate the word into. The next app is used to make conversions between units. In the search bar, type unit converter. There are 3 interactive drop-down menus that you can use to adjust the type of unit that you are converting. The first menu changes the type of measurement that is being converted. The second and third drop-down menus allow you to change the units you are converting. For example, you can convert 1 foot into inches by selecting the third box that says mile and selecting inch from the list. Notice the long bar at the top of the page called the address bar. Addresses are unique references that direct you to specific pages on the internet. If you know the address of the website that you would like to visit, you can copy and paste or type it into the address bar to be navigated straight to the website. For example, click on the address bar and delete the previous address. Type weber.edu/clc and press enter to be brought directly to the Computer Literacy Center's website. No searching is needed. Bookmarks are tools that allow you to access websites quickly. To bookmark the Computer Literacy Center's website, click on the star icon at the far right of the address bar. A drop-down menu will open up allowing you to edit the bookmark. Click Done to save it. The star icon is now filled in, showing that this page is bookmarked. Open a new tab. At the top right of the screen, under the address bar, you can see a button labeled All Bookmarks next to a folder icon. Click on the button to open a drop-down menu displaying all of the websites that you have bookmarked. Notice the CLC website that you bookmarked under the title CLC Home. Click CLC Home to be brought directly to the CLC website. In this video, we navigated the internet using the search and address bar. We also explored types of searches, search engine mini apps, and bookmarks. For more information on other computer literacy topics, please visit our website at weber.edu/CLC.